Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle, where we bring you the latest and most essential information on health and well-being. Today, we have a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: nerve health. Specifically, we'll be discussing the 8 worst foods for your nerves. Understanding how certain foods can negatively impact your nervous system is crucial for maintaining a healthy and active lifestyle. So, let's dive right in. Our first culprit is refined sugar. Excessive consumption of sugary foods and drinks can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress in your nerves. This can potentially damage nerve cells and disrupt proper signaling, which is essential for a healthy nervous system. Now, you might think switching to artificial sweeteners is a good idea, but think again. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and saccharin have been linked to nerve damage in some studies. They may disrupt the balance of neurotransmitters, affecting nerve function negatively. Next up, trans fats. Found in many processed and fried foods, trans fats can cause inflammation throughout the body, including the nervous system. This inflammation can lead to nerve damage and impaired signaling. Salt is essential for our bodies, but too much of it can be detrimental. High salt intake can increase blood pressure, which can damage blood vessels supplying nerves. This damage can lead to impaired nerve function over time. Processed foods are a double whammy for your nerves. They often contain a cocktail of refined sugars, trans fats, and excessive salt. The combination of these elements can lead to chronic inflammation and nerve damage, making processed foods one of the worst choices for nerve health. It's no secret that excessive alcohol consumption is bad for your health, and your nerves are no exception. Alcohol can directly damage nerve cells and impair their function. Chronic alcohol abuse can lead to a condition known as alcoholic neuropathy, which causes numbness, tingling, and weakness in the limbs. While a moderate amount of caffeine can have cognitive benefits, too much of it can be problematic for your nerves. Excessive caffeine intake can overstimulate the nervous system, leading to jitters, anxiety, and even nerve damage in severe cases. Finally, let's talk about artificial additives. Many processed foods and drinks contain a range of synthetic additives like MSG and artificial food colorings. These additives have been linked to nerve disorders and can exacerbate existing nerve problems. So, there you have it, the 8 worst foods for your nerves. Avoiding or minimizing these foods in your diet can go a long way in preserving your nerve health. Instead, focus on a balanced diet rich in whole, natural foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, your nerve health plays a crucial role in your overall well-being, so take care of it. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, please consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice on your dietary choices. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.